really missing the flavor and texture of egg until I developed this egg salad recipe. This vegan egg salad is creamy, it has that egg smell, a flavor of eggs, and even an eggy texture. Best yet, it's ready in under 5 minutes.
Mayo is the base of the dressing. I added some Dijon mustard. For seasonings, I'm using onion powder, turmeric for color, and dried dill for flavor. A bit of black salt, which is actually pink, will give that eggy flavor. I highly recommend that you do not skip this step. Black salt is what changes the flavor from tofu to egg. I ordered mine off of Amazon. And I add pepper to taste. This recipe will be in the description box below. I'm adding a touch of maple syrup because I don't love the bitterness from the turmeric, and the sweetness balances out that bitter flavor. I'm personally a big fan of pickles or relish in my egg salad. The acid from the pickles really brightens up the flavor. The last two ingredients are green onions. I use the green and white part, and of course some celery, which I personally like sliced very thinly. I minimize the amount of mayonnaise that I use in this dressing. However, if you like a more saucy egg salad, then feel free to use more mayo. For this recipe, I'm using firm tofu. Extra firm works just as well. I've pressed the tofu to remove excess water. Half of the tofu will be crumbled and the other half is cut into small cubes to mimic the look of egg white.
Hey, did you know that I'm most active on Instagram? I'll put a link in the description box. Let's be friends. Hey, if you're enjoying this content, please subscribe. It's free, and I can't grow without you.
I like toasted bread for my egg salad, and I'm just layering it with butter lettuce, some garden fresh tomatoes, and broccoli sprouts for extra nutrition. You could add whatever sandwich toppings that you like.
Hey, if you like quick vegan meals, check out this video right here.